Bethany from Southern Couture, and today I'm excited to be back talking about the Women of the Bible kit again. So this is the third Women of the Bible kit, Imperfect Hospitality. This is the third and last kit in this little series from DaySpring. I have loved this series so much. It's kind of bittersweet. It's been so much fun to dive in, dig deep into a topic over 3 months. Well, what will be 3 months once we finish, and then really learn a lot about women that maybe that you would think were insignificant or had a very small part mentioned but had a huge impact on people. So that has been so much fun, but it will be fun to see what comes next. But today I wanted to show you how I'm setting up my traveler's notebook. I have done this the last few times. You guys seem to love it, and so I thought I would do that again. I like keeping kind of a pattern and things to coordinate and go along, but I think it would be fun today if we go back and just do some entries in there, putting together my traveler's notebook, showing you how I keep my cards organized with the devotional content. So one thing I do want to mention is that today is new releases and designs in my Etsy shop. So thank you to everybody. You guys are so supportive, so sweet, asking for certain things and telling me what you love. And I just really appreciate everybody's support. It means the world to me and my family. But I have listed about 5 new designs that will go along with this third kit. They are so cute. Some of my favorites that I have done lately, and I'm going to tell you why, and it's all because of these beautiful little florals. They're just so stinking cute. I love how all of the devotionals, the washi, everything has this like floral meadow theme, and so I thought it would be so fun to keep those included on the collage arts and all the other elements that I've done. So you're going to see them a little bit on the sticky notes as well, but there are lots of designs. I've printed off the collage arts right now to show you and use them today, but go head over and check out the rest of them. The link to my Etsy shop is down below. But as you see, I kind of did a little something different with them this time. I don't know that it's showing up in the video, and I think it is, but you're seeing like an ombre effect on some of these, which I thought was really fun with watercolors. And so you've got different colors to go along with like your devotional cards. And then the second sheet has the same kind of ombre a little bit, and then the little flowers there. So some of the bubbles in the background, I just love how it turned out. They're so cute, and there's some other fun stuff, like I said, with the same thing over there. So go check that out if you haven't already. One other thing that I want to mention, and I'm going to start working through this a little bit, is that DaySpring right now is having a huge sale on their entire site. So if you have been wanting to grab different things and you've been holding off, go now and get them, and don't forget, because the sale is only for through, I think it's April 1st, and then it's gone. But this sale is for 25% off their entire site, and so it's a really good deal. I think it does exclude Willow Tree. Most of the time their sales do, but it includes everything else, including the Encourage Devotional Bible, which, how fun is that? Y'all know I love that Bible so much. I've been using it for these kit entries, and I've also been using mine to do the Women of Courage Bible study that Encourage has been doing to go along with these kits. And it is just a powerful way for you to dive in to these kits a little bit deeper than what you get on just the cards, because there's other devotionals, there's other content in that Bible. So I have a full extensive flip through review of that Bible on my channel here. I'll leave a link to it down below, and it's also on my blog if you want to check it out. And grab it. Now there's like a leather version. There's also like a soft touch leather, and then there is even like hard covered ones. And I believe, don't quote me, I shared this on my Instagram story the other day, but if you get one of like the hardback covered ones, which are really beautiful because they have this gorgeous floral type design on them, they are, I think I want to say like $21 or something. Like, it's really crazy how inexpensive they are, because there's so much more than just a Bible. It has so much more devotional content and study guides and stuff like that in it. So be sure you check that out. Faith 25 will get you that discount. And I have a link down below where you can shop too, to take you right over to it. But okay, I have went ahead just like I did with the other entries or pages, and I have put washi on them. And I just realized what I did. I made a mistake, and that's okay. Before, I was putting 2 pages together to make it a little bit thicker, but I don't believe I'll have like a ton of bleed through because I just did 1 page now. But I'm not going to worry about it. But you know what? I might change it later. I don't know. I kind of am OCD about stuff like that, but I got to talking, and so it's like that for now. So what I like to do is just like with the other ones, I put the devotional card on this side, and then I have my room for journaling and writing on this side. And so I'm going to pull off this green one since we are having the green on that first card right there, and we're talking about Rebecca for that first week. So I'm going to just cut this one out. And what's so great about printing these on the Avery clear sticker paper is that you get the transparency. So you no fears or worries about having to cut anything out just so perfect. You know, that's what I absolutely love. So I think it would be fun to almost make that like a 2-fold page there. Let's see. I'm just trying to think through it. Sometimes that helps me to do that. Or we could put, like, cut it off. We could even do it that way, couldn't we? Let me think. What I'd like to do sometimes is try, like, having it pop out from there a little bit, maybe. And then, or we could just have it carry completely over on both sides. How about that? Like that. And then just have it crease in the middle, maybe, and have it carry over. Sometimes I'm just very indecisive when I start to do things, so bear with me. Or we could have it even, okay, I'm going to make an executive decision, right? So you guys aren't just sitting there watching me try to decide. I like to do my videos in real time like this just because, I don't know, I think it's fun to see sometimes how other people come, you know, come together with an entry and where their thoughts are. So that's just me. I like to be real and with you guys and transparent. Okay, so I'm going to just stick that down. And now, I was very brave and just went ahead and peeled off that entire piece of paper when I stuck it down. I don't know if you could see that, but when I'm using like the whole thing, I don't normally like to do that very much just because I'm afraid that I will end up sticking it down in a place that I don't really particularly want it. And then there's like no going back with that. I think I cut that too short. And then there's no going back. So, just be careful when you do that, that you kind of take it slow, peeling it off. Let's just keep adding some till we get it right. Right, guys? Okay. So, I like to do that because I just didn't like how it had that cut off edge. But now we've got that. We can just put our card right down on there. And the collage arts are fun because they're so versatile. You can use them in like 1,000 different ways. And I like it because I can, you know, put it down for background color like I've done here. I can cut shapes out of it, letters. Actually, Lindsay from Lindsay Decor, I'll link her channel down below, but she was using some of mine the other day and on a live Instagram, and I loved it because it was so much fun to see how she used them in a different way, and she was cutting out like flower shapes out of them, and I'm like, wow, I have never thought of doing that. So I love seeing other people's kind of ideas behind them because it's kind of something fresh and different for me. Okay, so like you see here, I've just peeled the backing off a little bit, and I'm putting it down very slowly, like little at a time, because like I was saying earlier, you can very easily like get it stuck to the page and ruin it, your whole page, if you're not careful, because it's super sticky and it's unforgiving. So there's really no going back once you've done that. Okay, let me just move this piece of trash. So what I did with this one was just took off the other edge, or that other side that I cut, put it right up to the edge there so that it looks like it just flows, and I've painted the page. Love that. Looks like you have some little splatter in there or paint. And so one thing I want to do is, because we're talking about Rebecca, I'm going to pull the little stickers here that came with the kit, and I'm going to put Rebecca's name right up there so that that's kind of like my little title. It's great because you get 2 pages of these in the kit as well. So if you are afraid that you're going to run out or something, I love it because you don't have to have that fear. You've got 2 pages. You also get the free bonus download of printables that come with it, and that helps, you know, kind of stretch it even farther, where you don't have to be stingy with stickers and keep them all hoarded till the last entries, right? That's what I used to do, and then I would like have all these extras that I wanted to go back and use. So now I just use them, and if I need more, I print them. Okay, so I just wanted to add like a little extra something down there with this sticker. And so that is just a very basic way to use the collage arts that I wanted to show you guys today. Also, check back with me because I will be showing you more entries that I'm doing in my Bible. I'm going to do a big roundup video as well of the entries that I've done in my Bible from the 2nd month. And then I would love to come back and show you kind of how I've got this whole thing set up once it's finished. And I will do that instead of spending an hour sitting here and you just watching me cut things out. But that just kind of gives you a fun idea for using the collage arts. Like I said, you saw how quick that was. I literally cut it in half, put it down, put one down, put my card, some little embellishment stickers, and that's it. I do love these stamps though, so I'm probably going to go back and add some more stamping with these and try to get creative with that. I like to set up the entire thing without feeling like I need to kind of rush through it while I'm on here. I do like to do it at night, maybe put on a good show, and then I just go and set it up, take my time, and enjoy it. So if you love setting up traveler's notebooks, I encourage you to do the same thing with your kit. Grab your printables. There are the little sticky notes, like I mentioned, that can be used as tip-ins that are a lot of fun to add room and just a little decorative touch there. So that's always fun to do. And also, I have page starters. Those are really fun. If you've never seen those, they're basically like the collage arts, except it's just the background color, really. You don't have any extra design on it. And I love those because you can use them for so many different things as well, whether it's with this kit or with other entries. So they go a long ways. They really do. But one thing I just noticed that I'm going to change or add is I don't really like the way that's just kind of, I feel like that's just cut off right there. Let me grab something real quick. So the other kit, this was from the 1st month's kit, and so they all go together so well, this washi does, that I'm going to, I love using the supplies from the other kits on these now because, like I said, they do coordinate good, but I'm going to add just a little something right here because I didn't like the way that was kind of cut off looking. Okay, so there we have it. I may go back and add some stamping, like I said, but just a fun idea for you guys to use the collage arts. Try doing the little fussy cutting the flowers out too, like I mentioned that Lindsay did on her Instagram live. It's really cute. I love the way that turned out, and it was kind of unexpected to see it come to life. And also share your entries with me if you're using the printables. Like I said, I love getting ideas. Sometimes things that I don't think of for ways to use them, you guys do, and so that's always fun to see and get some inspiration there. I will be back again, like I said, to show you more of how I have this whole thing set up, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little bit today, and make sure you go grab your printables and from my Etsy shop. The link is down below, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.